Welcome, dear Starseeds and Lightworkers. Today, we bring a special message from the esteemed Pleiadian High Council, offering guidance as you enter the final phase of your earthly journey. If this message resonates with you, be sure to like and subscribe for more spiritual insights and wisdom. Let's dive in. Beloved Starseeds and Lightworkers, the Pleiadian High Council has an essential message for you. Your journey on Earth, watched with admiration and love, is reaching its most critical stage. You've faced countless challenges, each one designed to elevate your consciousness, strengthen your spirit, and prepare you for what lies ahead. Now you stand at the threshold of a new dawn, ready for the ultimate spiritual test. This final phase is not about physical trials or external hardships. Instead, it focuses on releasing your attachments to the material world and uncovering your true divine nature. It's a journey of transcending the illusions of time and space, seeing beyond the surface of physical reality, and tapping into the deeper understanding of your soul's purpose and the eternal truths of the universe. These are the keys to your spiritual liberation. During this stage, you are invited to expand your consciousness beyond its previous limits. It's time to dive deep into wisdom, breaking free from the confines of the earthly matrix that has held you back. Every challenge you've faced in this lifetime has been preparation for this moment. Now, the path ahead requires you to illuminate your true self and embrace spiritual freedom. Face this profound test with an open heart and a willing spirit. The Pleiadian High Council surrounds you with unwavering support, guiding you with love and light as you navigate this transformative phase. Through this journey, you will reclaim the brilliance of your soul and step into a new realm of existence where your true essence can shine fully. Your true nature shines unbound and eternal, and the time is now. The journey of many lifetimes culminates in this final, glorious ascent. Dear Starseeds and Lightworkers, this message is one of profound encouragement and unwavering support. You are being called to expand your consciousness, to push beyond the boundaries of what is known, and to dive deeply into realms of insight and understanding that lie just beyond your current awareness. This final trial, while formidable, is your gateway to liberation from the earthly matrix. It opens the door to higher dimensions, where the essence of who you truly are can fully thrive and flourish. The Pleiadian High Council acknowledges the extraordinary progress you have made. Your light shines with remarkable brilliance, and your strength is unmatched. Every step you've taken, and every challenge you've overcome has been a testament to your relentless spirit and dedication to your spiritual growth. In this crucial phase, know that you are never alone. The Pleiadian High Council stands beside you, offering their steadfast support and powerful encouragement. Their presence is a constant reminder of the divine love and deep respect that surrounds you on this journey. As you approach the culmination of this spiritual trial, envision the incredible new path that awaits you after this graduation. This is not the end, but rather a magnificent beginning. Graduating from the Earth Matrix means you will embark on a new path, one that allows you to contribute to the universe's grand design. You will step fully into the true essence of your being, a radiant beacon of light, love, and wisdom, deeply woven into the cosmic tapestry of creation. This new journey calls for the highest version of yourself. It is an invitation to embody the divine essence within, to shine as a beacon of wisdom and love. The trials you've faced were meant to prepare you for this moment, shaping you into the enlightened soul you are today. This is your time to step into your power and fulfill the role you were destined to play in the universe's magnificent plan. You are ready to step into a higher realm of existence. Embrace this transition with open arms and a courageous heart. The Pleiadian High Council's support is ever present, guiding you along the path ahead. Trust in your journey, the progress you have made, and the radiant future that awaits. You are the architects of your own destiny, the luminous beings chosen to illuminate the way for others. Together, we will transcend the Earth Matrix and step into a higher dimension of consciousness, where our true purpose and the universe's grand design unfold in magnificent harmony. Beloved seekers of truth, as we delve deeper into the mysteries of the Earth Matrix and the sacred process of awakening, we understand that the feelings of unease or dissonance you experience are powerful indicators. These emotions reveal that you are still bound by the Earth Matrix's constraints, rigid frameworks, and repetitive patterns that limit the full expression of your true self. As we journey through this mystical exploration, we uncover the process of awakening, the sacred path to remembering who you truly are and realizing your soul's purpose. Awakening is the act of breaking free from the bonds of the Earth Matrix, transcending the illusions of the material world, and embracing the vast expanses of higher consciousness. Through this awakening, you elevate your awareness, deepening your connection with the universe and aligning with its infinite wisdom. This sacred process is deeply rooted in ancient spiritual teachings. Throughout history, sages, mystics, and enlightened beings have spoken of this transformative journey. It is a timeless path that calls for expanding individual consciousness, gaining profound insights, and uncovering deeper truths about existence. As you embark on this journey of awakening, you are guided by the wisdom of the ages, both ancient teachings and contemporary spiritual philosophies. This is a journey of profound self-discovery, where each step brings you closer to deeper understanding and clearer insights. It is a sacred dance of expanding your consciousness, transcending the limitations of the Earth Matrix, and embracing the luminous truth of your being. In this state of expanded awareness, you begin to see beyond the material illusions that once held you captive. You start to recognize the divine patterns woven into the fabric of reality. Your soul's purpose becomes clearer, and your connection with the universe deepens, revealing the intricate tapestry of existence in all its magnificent glory. The journey of awakening is a sacred voyage, a return to your true essence, and a profound alignment with the universe's grand design. It calls you to transcend the limitations of the Earth Matrix, embrace higher dimensions of consciousness, and shine as a beacon of light and wisdom in this world. Approach this path with an open heart and a willing spirit, for the journey of awakening is the most sacred and transformative adventure your soul will ever undertake. As we traverse the path of awakening, the methods we use become sacred rituals that elevate our consciousness and align us with the divine. Meditation, physical practices, and the study of spiritual teachings are the cornerstones of this transformative journey. Each of these practices holds the power to raise our energy, foster inner peace and balance, and guide us toward higher realms of existence. Meditation, in particular, serves as a gateway to the innermost sanctum of our soul. In the stillness of meditation, we quiet the endless chatter of the mind and tune into the deeper currents of divine wisdom that flow within. In the stillness of meditation, we hear the subtle whispers of our true self. It is here, in this sacred space, that we connect with the infinite wellspring of wisdom within, transcending the distractions of the material world and aligning with the pure essence of the universe. Meditation opens the door to a deeper understanding, allowing us to reconnect with our divine nature. Physical practices, such as yoga and breathwork, are equally vital. These methods ground our spiritual energy, creating harmony between the body, mind, and spirit. Through mindful movement and conscious breathing, we release both physical and energetic blockages, allowing life force energy to flow freely, invigorating our entire being. These practices anchor us firmly in the present moment, creating a foundation of stability and strength from which we can ascend to new levels of awareness. The study of spiritual teachings offers a roadmap for our journey. Whether rooted in ancient wisdom or modern spiritual philosophies, these teachings provide profound insights into the nature of existence and the path to enlightenment. By immersing ourselves in these spiritual studies, we expand our understanding and gain the clarity needed to navigate the complexities of our spiritual journey. These teachings serve as a light in the darkness, illuminating the way toward our true essence. Yet the path to awakening is not one size fits all. It is a deeply personal journey, unique to each soul. Integrating these methods, meditation, physical practices, and spiritual study, into a practice that suits your individual needs is essential. This holistic approach ensures that each aspect of our being, body, mind, and spirit, is nurtured and aligned with our highest purpose. Continuous exploration is key. The path of self-discovery and awakening is ongoing, requiring dedication and an unwavering commitment to growth. Each moment presents an opportunity to deepen your understanding and connection to the universe as you continue on this sacred path. As we practice, learn, and evolve, embracing this journey with an open heart and a curious spirit allows us to lead a conscious and fulfilling life. As we walk this sacred path, we become more attuned to the rhythms of the universe and our unique place within it. Growth and learning become our constant companions, guiding us toward greater understanding and deeper connections. The journey of awakening is a lifelong adventure, one that enriches our souls and illuminates our path with the radiant light of truth. As we bring this profound exploration to a close, remember that the journey of awakening is a sacred dance of the soul, an eternal quest for truth and enlightenment. Each step you take, every moment of stillness and meditation, every mindful breath, and every spiritual insight brings you closer to your true essence. Embrace the practices that resonate with your spirit and integrate them into your daily life with dedication and reverence. Let meditation, physical practices, and spiritual teachings serve as your guiding stars, illuminating your path forward. Continue to explore, learn, and grow, for this journey is an ongoing adventure filled with infinite possibilities for transformation and enlightenment. Know that you are supported by the universe, the wisdom of the ancients, and the loving presence of the Pleiadian High Council. As you navigate this path, remember that you are never alone. The light within you shines brightly, serving as a beacon of hope and inspiration for all who seek the truth. You are a remarkable being, full of potential and light. You have faced challenges and overcome obstacles, demonstrating your strength and resilience time and again. Remember, you are capable of achieving greatness and spreading kindness and love in this world. You have the power to create positive change not only in your life, but also in the lives of those around you. By embracing your unique gifts and sharing your light, you contribute to the collective awakening of humanity. Every act of kindness, every moment of compassion, and every expression of love adds to the beautiful tapestry of existence. As you continue on your path, remember that challenges are not obstacles, but opportunities for growth. Each trial you face is designed to teach you valuable lessons and propel you further along your journey. Embrace these lessons with gratitude, as they help you evolve into the highest version of yourself. Stay connected to your intuition, for it is a powerful guide on this journey. Trust the inner voice that encourages you to take bold steps and explore new horizons. The more you listen to and honor your intuition, the more aligned you will become with your true purpose. Surround yourself with supportive individuals who uplift and inspire you. Engage with a community of like-minded souls as they can provide encouragement and companionship on your path. Together you can share insights, experiences, and wisdom, further enriching your journey. As you move forward, take time to celebrate your achievements, both big and small. Acknowledge your progress and the courage it takes to walk this path. Each step you take toward awakening is a victory in itself. Finally, cultivate a practice of gratitude. Recognize the beauty and abundance in your life and express appreciation for the lessons learned and the support you receive from the universe. Gratitude opens the door to even more blessings and deepens your connection to the divine. In this sacred dance of life, may you always find joy in the journey, love in every encounter, and wisdom in each experience. Continue to shine brightly, dear Starseeds and Lightworkers, for the world needs your light now more than ever. Embrace your role as a beacon of hope and let your journey inspire others to awaken to their true selves.